Okay. Okay, so right now I'm going to start by making the log bases the same. Sorry, the exponent base is the same. Then I'm going to simplify my exponents. And then log base 5 both sides. Now, this is where some of you went wrong, because the E's a little scary, right? But because this is all non-calculator so far, I'd want an exact solution for X. Exact doesn't mean I type it in my calculator and I get the decimal. Exact means I still see the E, right? So I'm going to add the 3 over and then divide by 3. Oh, I think, Matt, I just told you that your negative was wrong, but it wasn't. It was right. 2e plus 3 over 3 equals x. Or some of you wrote 2e over 3 plus 1, and that's fine too. Those are the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Did anybody get close? Or got it? Close or got it? Yeah? Yeah. That's all right.
It's just the same thing as the other, you just don't.
Yeah, it's just weird because of the E, right? Now, if it was a calculator allowed one, then you could have gotten the decimal. Just be careful when you type it in that you're making sure that whole thing is in the parentheses there, okay? We're doing all right? Okay, so here's kind of the rule of thumb. If the bases can be written to have the same base, like on all these 4 examples, right? 5 to something, 3 to something, 2 to something, 3 to something, right? Then it's probably a non-calculator. If the bases can't be written as the same base, then it'll probably be on the calculator portion of your test, okay? Insert next set. Okay? Can someone do 5 squared for me on their calculator?
25.
Try again. Oh, no, that's correct. I meant 15 squared.
Oh, 15 squared is the 225.
225. And what's 15 cubed?
15 cubed is like 3,000.
Something giant,
Yeah,
right?
It's 3,375.
The point I'm trying to make is, can I rewrite 285 to be 15 to some exponent?
No.
No, I cannot. So first what I'm going to do is get the x down by taking the log base 15 of both sides. But it's not going to cancel over here. Oh. What was that? Oh.
So just 3x is equal to log base 15.
But on the second day, 7.2, we learned how to type that into my calculator, right? Using my change of base rule.
Where's the log 15?
The 15 there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see.
7.2, it was called the change of base rule. So is that X?
Divide by 3.
Good job. You still have to divide by 3. So X is, I always do 3 decimals, 0.696. Hey, do a quick double check for me if you have an 84. Some of yours are updated enough that you don't have to do the change of base. If you press Alpha F2 and go down the one that says log base, You don't have to do the change of base rule if yours is updated enough. If it's not, I can update it at lunch sometime. If it's an 84, if it's an 83, you're out of luck.
Is log base the fifth one?
Ah, yep.
Oh, that does work.
And then just scroll down.
Or math and scroll down, yeah. If your 84 is updated enough, it'll have the ability to do a log of a different base on there. If it's not, I can update it at lunch sometime for you. If you have an 83 or a Casio, a Casio I think will do the different log base. An 83 won't though, okay? Let's try one more of this type, and then I'll have you guys try some on your own, and then we'll go to our last type of problems, okay? All right. Am I ready to log both sides yet on A? No, I got to undo my PEMDAS, right? Like on the x squared example at the very beginning. So I'm going to minus the 5 first. That's not correct. I divided them.
Negative 45.
Okay. Is the exponent by itself? Not yet. I gotta get rid of the negative. The negative is in parentheses. It's not part of the exponent, right? So now I'm gonna divide by the negative 1. So 3 to the x is 45. So now I can log base 3 of both sides. But 45 can't be written like one of our exponents I have written here on the board, right? So that's how I knew it was a calculator allowed, okay? So then I go log 45 over log 3, and I'm left with 3.465.
Why is the equal sign excluded from those?
Because it's estimated.
Because it's estimated. Yeah, it's not something you ever have to type in on Canvas, and I think on a test, I don't think I'd mark it wrong if you have the wrong equal sign, but my heart can't handle the wrong equal sign. So on the board, I try and be accurate. You guys want to try B and C? We're not going to do D, so you can use the workroom if you need to. Try B and C, and I'll come around and help. So you're checking to see if it can be rewritten with the same base, exponent base. If not, then you can use your calculator to help you get the decimal to 3 places, okay?